Hey guys, it's Cal, and for today's video I filmed a spring get ready with me, just this really dewy kind of natural bronze makeup look. And then a lot of you guys have been asking where my new clothes and jewelry is from, so I will make sure to link it all down below in the description box for you guys. But if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I've missed you guys so much. It was really nice to take a break, but I'm so happy to be back, and I can't wait to get in this video. Here we go. Okay, this is my favorite primer at the moment. It is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've wanted this product for so long, and then I collaborated with Bobbi Brown a little bit ago, and this has been my favorite product since. But I'm just applying it with my fingers. You can use that as a moisturizer too, which I love priming moisturizers. This is just the best one because I have super dry skin, and this makes my foundation look so dewy and fresh. Whatever primer I have left on my fingers, I use it to put my flyaways down. Okay, chapstick. After primer, I'm taking my Bobbi Brown Extra Bare Glow Illuminating Moisture Balm. I am obsessed with this. So I just do a little pump on my finger. Oh wait, that was a lot, crap. I didn't mean to use that much. I just rub a little bit on the high points of my cheeks. It's just like a natural illuminating moisturizer. This is normally what I just wear to class. I'll wear that primer and then this just on top. But it looks really good under foundation too. I love really natural and dewy makeup looks, so that's what we're going for. And then, right now I'm just obsessed with Bobbi Brown, so I'm using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation because it's still one of my favorites. And I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender to blend this in today. Sorry I haven't been uploading a lot. School has literally taken over my life. This school is a lot harder than when I went to U of A or SMC, and I have a lot of homework, and I like to hang out with friends, but it felt really good to just take a break from YouTube for about a month. But I'm back, and I'm going to be uploading once a week for you guys, and I can't wait. If you guys are wondering what shade I use the shade Sand 2. And it matches my skin tone perfectly. I just got back from the Bahamas, and I wore sunscreen the whole time. I mean, I got a little bit sunburn on my back, but I didn't really get tan. To set my eyelids, I always just use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Powder. It's such a long sentence. And I'm just using this Morphe M581 brush. This is the only part of my face that I do set just because I'm going for that dewy skin look. And this foundation does a really good job of setting itself. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the construction. It's pretty loud. But for contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Amber Matchstick. I love this. I just put it in those places. I don't put any on my forehead because it always looks weird when I try and blend it into my hairline. I just can't get that down. And then I just aggressively blend it in. What I love about this brush, it's the Fenty Beauty brush, it doesn't take off the foundation as I'm blending it in. So that's why I love this one. Okay, and then to give my face a little bit of warmth, I have the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I used to use this all the time, but I ran out of it, and then Benefit sent me this. And I have it now. I have a fresh one. Whoops. So we're just going to add a little bit of warmth to the face. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, for my eyebrows, I'm just using the Too Faced Chocolate Brownie Brow Pencil. And then I'm taking my 3D Brow Tones from Benefit. I love this. It kind of just highlights. For eyeshadow, I'm using my favorite eyeshadow palette at the moment. It is the NARS Narcissist Wanted palette. This is honestly one of the best eyeshadow palettes I've ever used. Look at how beautiful these colors are. Okay, the first shade I'm just going to use in the palette is just this plain white one. I'm using my Morphe E27 brush. This is my favorite eyeshadow brush ever. I'm then going to go in with these two right here, this really pretty light pink shimmery one, and then this nude matte color. We're going for a really light eyeshadow look just because I want to keep this super natural and dewy. After I blend those in, I'm going to be taking this really gorgeous shimmery shade on a Sigma E38 brush, and I kind of just pack this into my crease and all over my lid. And on a Sigma E30 brush, I'm just going to sweep this underneath my lower lash line. If you have any glitter fallout, I just take a big fluffy brush. Fallout doesn't really bother me that much. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm taking this shimmery shade up at the top right here. It's so beautiful. And then I kind of bring it into my inner corner to my crease. I just received this from NARS and I'm really excited to use it, so I'm just going to be taking the NARS Wanted Cheek palette, and I think I'm going to put this color and this color together on just a blush brush. This is the brush I'm using. It is a Sigma F40. Oh wow, that is pigmented. I could have shaken more off. It's definitely more warm than I thought. It's really beautiful though. Okay, and then to bronze the look up, I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Bronzer. This stuff smells so good, I want to eat it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, this is my favorite bronzer brush I've ever used in my entire life. It is the Morphe M527. Now, since I'm pretty pale, this is really dark for me, so I have to go kind of easy, but it will definitely bronze the look up. I can't even add any more on that side because it's so bronzy. And then for highlighter, I'm using the new NARS Capri highlighter. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. And then this is just a Sephora Pro Fan 65 brush. This highlighter matches my skin tone perfectly. And then I also add this in with my eyeshadow. I kind of just sweep over it all. From the NARS Man Ray collection, I'm going to be using this lippy. It's so beautiful. It's in the shade Zambies. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. And then I take a tissue. And wipe half of it off. To finish the makeup look, I'm just taking this Too Faced setting spray. I absolutely love this. And I just spray that kind of everywhere. And that is it for makeup. I hope you guys love this look. I just think it's so springy and dewy. Okay, now that we finished our makeup, I'm going to show you guys my outfit and jewelry, so here we go. Moving on to my outfit, I'll make sure to link everything down below in the description box for you guys. So my long sleeve shirt I'm wearing underneath my dress is just from RUMI, and then my dress is Realization, and then all of these jewelries, I literally post a photo in them every single day on Instagram. So my earrings are from Love AJ, and then the small earring hoops are from Urban Outfitters. And then the top two necklaces are the M Jewelers. And then I have a Lily clasped Jaguar sparkly necklace that is probably my new obsession. And then the bottom two are just from Princess Polly. And then I have a pair of anklets. Not a pair of anklets. I have anklets on. These are just from Urban Outfitters. And my shoes are the Nike Air Force Ones. I got them in the kids section so that they're cheaper. And then my socks are just from Amazon. But I'll make sure to link everything down below in the description box. I hope you guys love this outfit. This is just an outfit I've been repeating and I haven't been really getting sick of it. But I hope you love it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you loved it. If you want to follow me on my Instagram, it is just @KallieKaiser. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye, love you.